A new AI approach is transforming physician training by integrating mindfulness techniques. Researchers are using artificial intelligence to help doctors develop better focus and reduce burnout. This innovation could significantly improve patient outcomes by fostering more attentive care. The technology simulates real-world medical scenarios, allowing trainees to practice mindful decision-making. Unlike traditional methods, AI provides instant feedback, helping physicians refine their skills. This breakthrough highlights how artificial intelligence is reshaping healthcare education for the better. Less than break time equals 1.0s greater than. Mysterious tone. Looking for. Short pause. Mysterious tone. Uncensored? Pause. Excited. Fast-paced. Mysterious tone. AI Uncensored Daily.